Hello, I'm Harry Taylor and I'm the welding tutor at Adult Community Learning at Middlesbrough College. This welding course provides practical and theoretical knowledge for a better understanding of the welding industry. This course is designed to give you a hands-on practical experience and industry standard techniques and workshop safety procedures. In this 4-week course, you will be creating 10 different weld pieces using MIG, metal inert gas and MMA manual metal arc welding techniques. This course is designed for people who are looking for a totally new skill to work towards or to home in on some of the past experiences in this industry that they may have. You'll be working in a max team of 8 with like-minded individuals who want to get the best out of the opportunity they have been given. You will achieve a Level 1 in Introduction to Welding certificate as well as a certificate in employability. This course is designed to be the perfect start for your welding journey and onto the Level 3 Advanced Welding Skills course with ourselves. If you think this course is for you, you can apply online or come and speak to us. We hope to see you soon.